Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop today. Cost me £1.50. Teletubbies, 2015 I think that says, or is that 2016? 2015. Yeah, looks like it's got, come on, focus. Looks like it's got steering of some sort. Whether it does that automatically, I don't know. I've switched it on. Let's switch it off again. Switch it on. We get sound effects. It doesn't appear to do anything. It might be infrared controlled. Might be. Yeah, it's not sound activated. So we're going to take it apart. Screwdriver, 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like. I did just try it with a 27 megahertz and a 40 megahertz transmitter and nothing happened. So my money is on it being infrared controlled. Oh, I wonder if I might just go and try a TV remote on it. I'll do that before I do any more. I'll just go and get a TV remote just to see if we can flash it and get it. Right, my wife won't let me pinch the TV remote because she's watching telly, but I've got this one, which you can see it working. That's not doing anything. So we will take it apart. We are still switched on. Yes, we are still switched on. Because it might need fresh batteries in it. Let's have a look what batteries it has first. Okay, AAAs. Let's just check one of them at random. It's not flat. It's not particularly high powered, but it's not flat. Let's carry on and take it apart for now. Venus, that's what I promised we'd do. Right, we're going to come apart. Come on. Right, there we go. Okay. So, yes, I would say that was infrared. Pull off as well. Okay. So it's infrared controlled. And it does have steering. That's the steering motor. That's the drive motor. But it's not triggered by a random pulse. It needs a proper infrared. I could just go and I've got a box full of infrared controllers. We'll just give it a try. I don't normally bother because I can never ever get them to match. But you never know, it might be our lucky day. Back in a minute. Well, I've got to say I'm surprised. Got my box of controllers. Infrared ones. Got 3 of these. They're actually labelled differently. That one's Jupiter, this one's Peppa Pig, and this one's Postman Pat. But I've switched this one on. You hear it respond. And if I go forwards, forwards and backwards work, and music. What does the other one do? The other one, oh, it's one of those. The steering is controlled by, must have a tilt switch in there or something. Well, I pick these up in charity shops when they're on their own. Just in case, that is the first time I've actually got one that's worked with anything that I've bought. Oh, wow. So tilt switch in here to steer it, forwards and backwards, and music. No doubt that's copyright, but that button doesn't seem to do anything. We'll just try the other ones. I'll switch that one off. Yeah, that button doesn't seem to do anything. So I'm guessing these are identical. £2.50? No way I paid £2.50 for that. That's more like it. £1 on that one. No price label on that one. Well, that is amazing. Well, we'll finish looking inside anyway. We don't need to go into any great detail. Obviously on there is the controller chip that receives the signals from the infrared receiver up there, converts it to signals to tell the motor to go forwards or backwards, or the steering to go side to side. And there's also going to be a sound chip on there to generate the audio. And that there is just the on-off switch. Shall we take that off and have a quick look? It is actually getting dark in here. I'll see if we can do a close-up of the circuit board. If we're gentle, can we get it up enough to look underneath? Don't know, the wires are all a bit tight. Right, I'll change the camera so we can get a close-up. I will do a macro still shot of it. Because we can't quite focus, but I'm guessing that one there and that one there are H bridges to drive the motors. And then everything else is in that black blob. Controller chip and that. Those three tags there are the incoming from the infrared detector. And they go into there. And that tag are the green and white go into that motor. And I'm pretty sure that tag will be the black and red go into that motor. Yeah, I'll do a quick macro shot close up, and that's about it. There's no point in taking this apart to have a look at the gearbox. I mean, yes, there'll be a few gears in there to drive the back wheels, and in there'll be something to drive the steering side to side, and that's about it. Oh, out of focus again now. That's better. So yeah, that's it. I'll put it back together and we'll run it around. All back together. So, forwards, backwards, turn right, turn left, and music. Which is probably copyright, so if you don't hear anything, I've had to delete the music. I can't get wheel spin out of it, or at least I can't get it to do a 360. Nah, I tried. Oh, that's brilliant fun. I love that. And like I say, that's the first time I've actually managed to find something that these controllers work with. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.